Here is how to find a Snapchat username. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Then after, tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen. Your username is below your Snapchat code or your profile picture. Your username is in small letters below your name, or it can also be available below your snap code or your profile picture. To find someone else's username, you need to use the search bar in the top right. And here, search for anyone that you prefer. If they appear in the search results, you've found them. Another way is to scan their snap code. Open Snapchat and point your camera at the snap code image and tap and hold the screen to scan and add them. You can also add people from your contacts. Select this Add Friends option in the top right corner. Then select Invite Your Friends and select Continue to sync your contacts with Snapchat. And you can see who has linked their Snapchat account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.